Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here we'll see the notification sound section, and just to change notification sound we should select one from these available sounds which you would like. After that, just go back and we can see that we just successfully changed notification. Oh, sorry, this is vibration. Notification sound. Oh no. Oh, for example, let's use this one. Let's go back and we can see that we just changed it successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.